Hello, I like make today super easy ice cream, which is we will make in 4 different ways. Now, so what we need for the ice cream? We need 1.2 liter thickening cream, and we need 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk, 395 each. So we just simply place it in. And what we do is next, we're using electric beaters and we whisk this mixture until basically it's soft peaks. Once a mixture get to soft peaks, that's how it's look like. As you can see, they still are falling off. It's soft peaks. So what we do is next, we divide this mixture between 4 storage containers. Just evenly divide a mixture because we place 4 different flavoring into each container. To the first basically ice cream container, we make espresso. So what we do is we place 2 tablespoons of espresso coffee and we add 2 tablespoons of warm water to dissolve it. It is completely dissolved. Add it to the first basically bowl of the ice cream and we add 2 tablespoons of coffee essence. If you make more adult variety, you can get 2 tablespoons of coffee liquor and mix it all together. Once you mix it, it comes with a beautiful color like that. So what we do is we just simply cover our container and set aside for now. For the second container, what we do is we have it 1 cup of strawberries. Also you can use raspberries as well if you like to do so, and add also 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 cup or just like a 1 bar of the honeycomb. Once it's all combined, simply cover and set aside. Now with the third ice cream, what we do is we add 100 grams of the dark chocolate, which is broken into pieces, and we use strawberry flavored Nesquik. We use 3 tablespoons and we add 2 tablespoons of warm water to dissolve. We add to ice cream and mix together. Once all roughly mixed, what we do is cover and we do the last final. This one we can make a little bit more fun. So we have 1 cup of broken Oreo biscuits. You simply just break them into parts with a knife or just by hand, and we get about half a cup to 1 cup various sweets, something like jelly snakes or jelly babies, various colors as well. We just simply place all together to make it super fun type of ice cream. Have a rough mix. Once final ice cream is being roughly mixed, cover it, and what we do is we place all 4 our containers into freezer and we freeze overnight or until firm. Once all 4 ice creams are set, take the whatever ice cream you like it and take this container and place for just 15 minutes on a bench to just soften up slightly, then simply pile up and just enjoy it. I hope you like this simple 4 ways ice cream recipe. Everything will be in the description box, and also you can add any flavor or any basically sweets or any kind addition to your ice cream, as well as the fruits. And so thank you very much for your time with me today. I hope you like this simple creation of the ice creams, and thank you for your time. Until next time, goodbye.